What actually dominated the meeting is, as usual, the issue of financial autonomy, which all of you, I believe, you know that you are almost at the end of the end of the road, or so to say. We are almost approaching the end of the struggle for the implementation of financial autonomy, and you have heard it from the governor of KOGI State that all governors are in support of it. So we don't think there's any problem. The takeaway now is that there's an agreement we reached in one of the meetings we held with the chief of staff and the stakeholders of the financial autonomy, and that document, we want it to be signed by all the stakeholders, and immediately after the signing of that document, all assemblies, the Pasan and the Jusun has promised that they will open the assemblies.
Well, actually, as you all are aware that the government has given us their own proposals, and the two unions, that is Pasan and Josun, has responded back to those demands that the government has given. Pending on when the next meeting is going to take place, we're hoping that maybe by next week, Tuesday, we should be able to have a meeting to actually know the position of things as in the financial autonomy. But as it is, you can see the houses of assembly are still under lock and key, so it means the strike is still on until the financial autonomy is being implemented. The actual point of this strike is because of the autonomy we're asking for that has been granted by the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So if the autonomy is not granted or the governor has not ceded to that, why are we going to call off the strike? They won't call off the strike. The strike will continue. We don't want to say this is why they are shying away, but the true picture of it is, as we have said it already, we are not negotiating the constitution. The constitution of this country is the Bible and the Quran of this country, and we swore to uphold it. So negotiating the constitution that you swore to uphold, I don't think is proper. So all we're asking is for the implementation of the financial autonomy, and that is all. That's all.